In the jingly-jangly town of Tinkertoon, where the streets were paved with humming cobblestones, lived a young gnome named Finnian Fizzlepop. Finnian was a genius inventor, but he had one tiny, enormous problem. He was a perfectionist. If his self-stirring soup spoons spun even a millisecond too slow, he'd call it a catastrophic failure. One day, a terrible thing happened. The town's source of music and laughter, the Grand Doo-Dah, was stolen. The Grand Doo-Dah was a magnificent shimmering bubble that floated in the town square, playing a different, delightful tune every hour. Without it, Tinkertoon was silent and sad.